vlog ini minim banget pembicaraan guys, minim banget percakapan dari aku ataupun dari cast yang lain. So as for me, banyak ngobrol sama teman-teman yang lain karena udah hari-hari terakhir, fokus ke performance kita. Banyak di antara kita yang punya 2-3 performance. Jadi terutama di aku jadinya nggak berkesempatan untuk interact sama yang lain dan in the mood buat vlogging. And that's why gue mau menambahkan voice over the clips dan menjelaskan secara singkat apa yang terjadi di beberapa klip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry once again, but I crafted this as best as I could. Enjoy the video. Selamat pagi. Ya, jadi ini banyak banget dari kakak-kakak sosmed yang taking footage, and I'm sure it's for documentary purposes, dan pasti juga ada yang buat social media purposesnya Ruang Guru. Short form content ya teman-teman. Yeah, there was just a lot going on, and one of them is the social media team yang taking footage of us. We got Lutfi here. A quick word from Ben. Ben, gimana Ben perasaannya Ben?
Very bittersweet man, like yeah, might be last time I meet you guys.
Benar.
As a fall like this, and the last time I wear this uniform,
Hey.
I will miss this.
Wait. Yang penting see you again lah ya.
Spoiler man.
Spoiler dikit ya. Vlog, latihan. Rehearsal yang pagi, rehearsal sesi pagi. Oh my god, nostalgic banget denger lagu ini because sebenarnya I personally wanted to get the Don't Stop Me Now song, dan itu kan yang sesi siang, but looking back at it, it was not that bad yang our session yang sesi pagi. Tapi ya, this is a bunch of us latihan. Dan ini tuh tambahan guys, on top of the 2 to 3 performance dari setiap cast yang mereka hafalin tuh, yang bareng-bareng kayak sesi pagi atau sesi siang ditambah sesi yang malam, itu bonus guys. So there was a lot of dance / choreo yang kita perlu hafalin, and I'm just so happy, I'm over the moon karena in the end everything went well. I'm sure there was like some mistakes, tapi gak ada yang major sampai I don't know, like it went viral or something. Yeah, only small mistakes. Nah, kita in the changing room, and yo, shoutouts to Arif. This guy hanya datang di gladi bersih, dan itu pun pas waktu Isya. Isn't that crazy? Dia baru datang buat latihan waktu Isya karena dia KKN. Tapi ternyata dia lumayan hafal guys. Even lebih hafal dibandingkan some of us yang ada di See You Again. And I'm sure his performance with Lutfi and I'm sorry, I forgot the other guy. It also went well. Udah bener-bener di luar kepalanya si Arif tuh gerakan-gerakannya. And yeah, pokoknya melampaui my expectations, our expectations sebagai satu tim See You Again, and he really did well. And this you got the part of Charles Segala, good guy. You got the part of where we take our makeup and have our haircuts. Tapi bro, as you can see, I was not happy with the haircut. I was not happy with the hairstyle at this moment. Bisa lihat aku bend gitu. And bener lagi, ini bakal jadi ya. Nah, ini default moment pas sama Kak Igo. Let's go Kak, gimana rasanya hari ini?
Ya Allah, berantakan banget, kayak masih ngantuk banget sumpah.
Wih, masih ngantuk banget, nanti komen-komennya Kak Igo. Semangat ya Kak. It looked better, even though pas performance What Is Love, you guys know it, udah lepek, dan ya lepek dikit kayak sekarang, dan ya tuing gitu lah. And now a word from the man himself, Kak Iman Usman.
Jadi berikan yang terbaik, udah latihan semuanya. Kalau masih sempat latihan silakan, tapi jangan lupa juga nyuri-nyuri istirahat nanti. Jangan lupa have fun, give your best gitu ya, karena ada banyak orang yang mensupport kalian selama ini, so kayak this is your last gift for everyone gitu ya. Tapi juga jangan lupa ini adalah juga mungkin hari terakhir berkumpul lengkap ya, jadi jangan lupa juga untuk kayak interact atau sama lain. Oke, kita mari berdoa dulu buat kelancaran acara hari ini. Berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa mulai.
Yo, this guy Nabil Safa, he's goated man. Mau berdoa sama main Clash Royale bro.
Berdoa selesai. Oke, kita close dulu ya.
I know it's the best game out there, but why I had to record him playing Clash Royale pas kita mau berdoa, itu lucu banget. Let's go, tim Islam. Sukses.
Kapten aja.
Hebat coy kalian.
Oke, mau cerita sedikit tentang what is love. Pas kita latihan itu there was a lot of times kita itu latihan itu gak lengkap guys. And bener-bener pas di hari gladi bersih, I think if I recall correctly, itu kita baru bisa latihan yang benar-benar bareng itu secara terus-menerus. Jadi on the day of gladi bersih kita benar-benar lock in. I think my reaction explains it all. Kenapa aku seneng banget, dan I believe aku mention this berkali-kali. Tapi after we performed What is Love, aku teriak-teriak, let's go, yes, kayak wah pokoknya seneng banget bisa berhasil kita as a collective group all out dengan this performance. Because awal-awal kita malu of course because it's a cute choreo to do, but yeah, in the end sesuai ekspektasi. So happy. Nonton performance sedikit. Dan ini detik-detik mau See You Again. You can hear in the background udah muncul lagu See You Again. Dan aku iseng record waktu itu. Dan I only recorded some parts of us reacting to the sesi siang performances. But then itu doang guys, habis itu udah selesai. Terus malam-malam kita ngumpul di satu kamar. I forgot whose room was it. I think it was Austin's, and he was alone for some reason. Dan kita dibeliin 25 pizza by, I believe it was Gilbert. Shout out to Gilbert for the pizzas. Yeah. Benar-benar our last moments together sih guys. The boys ya. No, Arkan going back to UPenn. Yeah, and we sang See You Again. That's so funny. Nah, terus besoknya bangun, ngobrol-ngobrol. Dan di ini kita lagi di restoran, mau puas-puasin waktu-waktu terakhir bersama. Dan ini ada Max ngejelasin rumus dari Rubik kalau dimainin secara blindfold. Dan I think he was teaching it to Evan Patri at this time.
Rumusnya akan jadi itu.
Ini gitu.
Enggak.
Kan uangnya kuning tuh.
Ini di sini.
Ya T.
Ini sama ini ditukar, ini sama ini ditukar. Jadi kalau dari atas ini ditukar, ini ditukar. Kayak T kan, makanya namanya T firm. Nah, terus.
Guys.
Caranya adalah ini turuan. Biar taruh sini dulu, biar dia miring. Terus ada pas lo bikin ini, jadi ini tuh kayak bisa dibalik. Jadi lo pakai rumus yang tadi, gitu.
We played a little bit of pool. Ya seru banget, dan ditambah seru lagi karena aku nggak bisa main sama sekali. Jadi pada ketawain aku throughout the whole game because it's so hard to hit the ball like in one line, dan ternyata I nailed the technique dengan kan you gotta like press it down with your other hand, baru dorong, so it goes like this instead of this. Yeah, stressful, man. Bro. Never fun, being never fun. Max gak ada suara.
Coba ngomong Max. Sorry guys. There you go. Sign.
Yo, dan ini detik-detik terakhir pergi ke kantor lagi. You know why? Because MacBook charger aku hilang pas kita latihan buat gladi kotor. Ya nyari kembali di kantor, tapi akhirnya gak nemu, dan akhirnya pas aku balik ke Kanada beli lagi di sini guys. Dan malamnya kita spontan ngajak Andreas, aku, Andreas sama Sain plus Kaigo, kita karaokean bareng for the last time.
Ya, awas.
Ya, ayo. Bukan ini ya guys. Guys, sekarang kita mau karaoke. Ini karaoke terakhir bersama teman-teman cewek. And that wraps up for the final chapter vlog. Udah selesai gitu doang guys. There's so little footage of the whole thing, dan lebih banyak sebenarnya buat persiapan. Oh, itu ada yang mau turun nggak? Aman aja, turun. And yeah, can you believe that guys? That sums up the whole final chapter vlog. Like, bentar, let me put you guys higher. Hold on. Like, yo, like, secepat itu udah selesai, and it has been like 3 weeks since it finished. Ya pokoknya, I'm sure semuanya udah menyesuaikan ke kehidupan masing-masing, back to university life. But I just want to say a final thank you to all of the production team, everyone that was involved in the makings of Clash of Champions Season 2. Especially Kaiman, Kabelfa, thank you for making a second season, another iteration of the past season. Pokoknya, I'm so happy to be part of the big family. Dan yeah, you guys can stop watching this video by now, because now I want to say some future plans I have for my Instagram as well as my YouTube channel. Jadi in my YouTube channel, hopefully there's gonna be weekly content. That's what I'm aiming for. Berbeda dengan jadwal untuk Instagram Reels. Hopefully I'm going to be consistently posting at least 3 times per week, starting from the release of this video. Then it's all going to be about, it's a mix of entertainment, education, as well as fitness. So I hope some of you guys are interested in one of those topics. I plan to aspire the younger version of myself, especially those who are planning to go and study abroad as well. It's been life-changing being able to study here, and I get that this is a massive privilege that I think is worth to share sama kalian semua. So to you, the viewer, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you find any of my videos helpful, entertaining, or beneficial for other people, it doesn't have to be beneficial to you. If it can help someone else, please help this channel grow. I'm searching for other people to grow this channel together with me, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in to this final episode of vlogs regarding Clash of Champions. This is the end, guys. Goodbye.